Before we get to the development, I would like to say a couple of words about plugins that I use inside PhpStorm, as well as what theme and font I use. And if you'd like to learn more how I configure PhpStorm, there is a separate playlist on the channel where I show how to configure JetBrains IDEs step by step. There is also a playlist how to use JetBrains IDEs more productively, as well as how to use Vim with JetBrains IDEs. Alright, now let's switch over to PhpStorm, open up Settings, and go to Plugins section. In here, in the second tab called Installed, there is a list of all custom plugins that I have installed. First of them is .env files support. This plugin provides better support for environment variables files with .env extension. It improves syntax highlighting as well as adds environment variable completions in the codebase. The next plugin is called Atom Material Icons. This plugin adds custom icons next to files and folders in the File Explorer. Next plugin is called Idea Vim. This plugin provides support for Vim inside JetBrains IDEs. Once again, there is a playlist on the channel where I show how to use Vim step by step and how to bind JetBrains IDE commands to Vim keyboard shortcuts. This plugin has lots of features and they're all described in official docs. Next plugin is called Laravel Idea, and this is probably the main plugin when it comes to Laravel development by using PhpStorm, because it adds so many features that will drastically improve your productivity. This is a paid plugin. It also has an extensive docs. We're going to talk about some of its features during the course. Moving on, and the last plugin is called All Darker Theme. This is the actual theme that I currently use. And as for the font settings, I use the font called Denkmona with the following settings. This font is paid, link to which I'm going to leave in the video description. Also, I'm going to leave the link to the repository where I have exported all my current PhpStorm settings in the archive that can be easily imported. And as for IDE configuration, that's all. Let's continue in the next lesson.